Hello, let's take a look at problem number 6. So if you are building a wheelchair ramp, the slope cannot be more than 1 inch of rise for every 1 foot of run. What is the maximum angle for the ramp to the nearest tenth of a degree? So what we can say is that 1 foot here is really equal to 12 inches, so that we're in the same units. And then we can model that out. Um, so that we can't have more than 1 inch of rise for every 12 inches of run. And I've actually had to do a similar problem building a wheelchair ramp for my dad. So this is something that actually happens. So then we're trying to figure out what is this degree that we can have on the wheelchair ramp. So we have opposite and adjacent. That means we're going to be looking at tangent. So tangent of theta is 1 over 12. So that means the inverse tangent or the arc tangent of 1/12 is our theta. And then we grab our handy dandy calculator, go ahead and clear it out. And then we want to do inverse tangent. And we want to do 1 divided by 12. And we get approximately 4.76 degrees for that wheelchair ramp.